Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Now I'm making my intros like this because I want to make my videos more personal. And if you're wondering where I've done my hair, well, I did it myself. I made it myself. In case you didn't see that video, I will link that video in the description box below. The only thing, I'm talking Dutch in that video, so excuse me. If you want to see how I'm going to recreate this sneak peek. If you want to see how I'm going to recreate my first set ever that I've done, just keep on watching. So, well guys, this is the set that I'm going to recreate today. This was the first set that I've ever done. Like I said before, and to do this, I already applied the tips, I already prepped the nails, I applied 2 layers of my super bond, and now I'm going to apply a super thin layer of clear acrylic. And the reason why I'm going to apply a thin layer of clear acrylic is to prevent any lifting or any staining, so to protect the natural nails. And this is how the nails look so far. I'm also using the Cake Ink Nails acrylic brush. I don't know exactly which size I'm using, but I will put a link of a website in the description box below. And now I'm creating the nail bed with my light salmon. And you guys, this is the most important step to achieve the perfect French that you want. You want that perfect smile line, so this is the most important step to make this perfect. And you guys, I really have to apologize to you because I was out of camera a lot of times. My camera was just not focusing. Sis need to get more practice because this ain't gonna work, sis. And this is how the nails look so far. Now I'm applying a pink acrylic to the tip of the nail. And it really doesn't matter how messy you apply the pink acrylic, because we have already made the nail bed perfectly. So when you are going to file the excess pink acrylic off, you will be left with a perfectly smile line. And now I'm using a medium grit to file the excess acrylic off. After this, I'm going to use a hand file to perfect the shape. And I'm really sorry to announce to you guys that at the moment our web shop is on hold. I'm really sorry for that, but it's coming soon. It's coming soon. And at the cuticle area, I'm using a tapered nail bit. And this is how the nails look after filing, shaping, buffing and cleaning the nails. I'm so obsessed. For the dots, I'm using white acrylic paint and a dotting tool. I'm using the Cake Ink Nails gel top coat. I will put a link in the description box below. And you guys, you have to make sure that all the dots are completely dry before you apply your final coat. Yes, sis, yes. This is how I recreated my first ever set that I've done. I really hope you like it, guys. I will insert a picture side by side so you can see how much I've learned, how much I've progressed in doing nails. And yeah, guys, this is it. This is the final result. I really hope you like it. I really hope you enjoy and learn something of this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of recreating this set. Let me know what you want to see more in the videos. Like I said in the first video, in the video before this one that I did my hair, in case you didn't see it. I have a list with ideas of upcoming videos for you guys. Like I said, I'm going to post more often now. I promise you. And coronavirus, after this coronavirus, I am going to buy a new camera, because this one is a photo camera and not a filming camera. So when I'm doing nails, I have to keep checking on it, and since I don't have time for that. So I promise you guys, I am going to upload more videos. Be patient, and you know I love you. I still love y'all. Well guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Give it the thumbs up. Don't forget to push the notification button thing, the notification, so when I post a video, you're the first one to know, girl. You're the first one to know. I want you to know when I'm posting a video. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.